Is the Canon EOS R1 the ideal camera for you? Well, we can't say for sure because it hasn't been released yet. However, we have a good idea about its features, which are likely to be included in the final product. These details aren't random guesses. They've been carefully gathered from rumors, comparisons, and what other cameras in the market offer. So let's dive into the details about this camera. But if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for more content like this. The upcoming Canon R1 is expected to feature a new sensor, with rumors suggesting it will be a 45+ megapixel stacked BSI sensor. Essentially, this implies that Canon will utilize a sensor similar to the one found in the Canon R5, but with a stacked design delivering unparalleled image quality and vibrant colors for professional photographers. Its wide dynamic range ensures stunning details in every shot. For videographers, the EOS R1 offers remarkable 8K video recording at 60 FPS, providing incredibly high-resolution footage. It excels in slow-motion capture, allowing for 4K video at 120 FPS, or Full HD at an impressive 240 FPS. In post-processing, the camera supports 8K 60p or 4K 120p raw internal video, giving content creators flexibility in editing. The camera's compact and lightweight design makes it easy to carry without sacrificing performance. Photographers will appreciate the super-fast burst mode, enabling shooting at up to 40 FPS with full autofocus functionality. The built-in image stabilization, offering up to 9 stops, ensures sharp and blur-free images in challenging conditions. Navigating the camera is effortless with the 3.2 full-tilt touchscreen, providing a user-friendly interface. The EOS R1 also offers a wide range of lens options, including Canon RF and EF lenses with an adapter, providing flexibility for any situation. The camera's convenience extends to Wi-Fi photo transfer and double memory card slots, enhancing its functionality. Moreover, the EOS R1 excels in low-light conditions with a focus capability down to 9 EV, ensuring sharp focus in the darkest environments. Overall, the Canon EOS R1 combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features, meeting the needs of both photographers and videographers seamlessly. Limited information is available regarding the price of the Canon R1. Positioned as Canon's flagship camera, it sits above the Canon R3, currently priced at over $5,000. Anticipated to be in the range of $8,000 to $10,000, the expected cost of the Canon R1 is relatively high, placing it in a similar bracket as the Fujifilm GFX 100. Canon traditionally follows a 4-year cycle for the launch of a new flagship model, exemplified by the Canon 1DX series. The most recent release, the Canon 1DX3, debuted in 2020. Furthermore, flagship models are typically unveiled at major events, and considering the upcoming Olympic Games in Paris in 2024, it suggests that the Canon EOS R1 is likely to be released in the first or second quarter of that year. Share your thoughts in the comments section below. We'll share any new details about the upcoming cameras as soon as we receive them. Stay tuned for updates. Thank you for watching.